good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. I'm going to go over our friend Matic. Tomorrow I'm headed to Zanzibar. I'll be on flights over the weekend. But you know I'll be back on Monday. Pretty excited. Sitting at 0.066. We're up 2%, down 2%, down 2.6 on the day. You see a market cap of 6.1 billion. 24 volume, 276 billion. We're also going to take a look at ETH. So we're sitting in our wave 4 pullback zone for Matic. So the max retracement is 0.0649. If that were to break, then potentially you could be looking at this as either a leading diagonal, but I don't really see it as a leading diagonal. It could be that all of this is still part of the wave 4 and then we come down in a wave 5. But let's quickly check the max retracement to see if it's already been broken, because if it's been broken, then higher likelihood we are going to see continuation. No, we haven't broke the max retracement. It's at 73 cents. So there is a possibility that this, if we were to break the 50%, honestly, I don't think it's likely that we come down and fill this wick anymore. But of course, anything is possible, because all we need to see with ETH is one more wave up before we see a larger wave 2 pullback. And when we put in that wave 2 pullback, it is possible that the alts may bleed and fill that wick for Matic, but we'll have to see how everything plays out. However, if we bounce here from this wave 4 pullback zone and we put in a wave 5, because that's what I'm expecting for ETH, then that's a 5-wave impulse, and that gives us more confluence that we're not going to break that low, and we're going to complete the 5-wave move, and then we're going to pull back in a wave 2, and we're going to see continuation to the upside. All right, gang, we are running to the resistance of the 20 EMA. I said it would be crucial for the bulls to get back above the 20 if we are going to see continuation. Now, if we put in that wave 5, it should push us up above the 20 EMA, but of course you would expect a wave 2 pullback, so crucial to get back above the EMAs on the daily if we're going to see continuation. The price of Ethereum is sitting in our wave 4 pullback zone. Max retracement is 1815, but I am expecting a bounce from this pullback zone and seeing continuation to the upside. If this level were to break, then this impulse may be over, but as you can see, this is only 3 waves up, so I'm expecting one more wave up in a 5. And looking at the DXY as well, it did exactly what we predicted. It pushed up. We had a bullish divergence on the 4-hour at the double bottom. We were looking for a wave 2 pullback. That's exactly what we're seeing. So depending on if we turn around here, which will begin the wave 5 for Ethereum, Matic, Bitcoin, or if we see a little bit of push higher, allowing Ethereum to come down a little bit deeper in this wave 4 before seeing a bounce. But I do think a bounce is coming shortly for the price of ETH. Might be slow on the weekend. Weekends usually are. We are looking for that retest of the daily EMAs. So if we put in that wave 5, we may retest this trend line at 1995. I was born in 1993. No one cares. And put in the wave 5, get rejected, pull back to the EMAs on the daily. So it will look like this: push up, rejection, pull back, hold those daily EMAs, bullish cross, boom, continuation to the upside. That's what I think is likely. We'll have to see how everything plays out. All right, gang. So watch that 0.649. If it's broken, then there is the chance that we come down and fill this wick. But honestly, I don't think that's a likely scenario. I think it's likely we're going to put in that wave 5, or we break. Sometimes wave 4s break a little bit lower than the 0.5. If they break into the wave 1, then it would invalidate that. A wave 4 cannot break into the wave 1 unless it's a leading diagonal. But I don't see how you could see a leading diagonal from this low. Wave 1, this is wave 2. You'd still need a wave 5. Yeah, you could say wave 3 right here. And then wave 4 could break into the wave 1. This would be your wave 1. So you'd pull back in a wave 4 and then potentially push up in a wave 5. That is possible, actually, for a leading diagonal. Wow, this is absolutely hideous. That is a possibility. So do watch for that. If we break 0.649, then there is potential for a leading diagonal. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2, this is your wave 3. You'd pull back in a wave 4, push up in a wave 5. A leading diagonal wave 4 is only broken with a break below the wave 2. So this would be your wave 1 right here. Let me draw 1. And this would be your wave 2. This would be your wave 3. Wave 4 only invalidates with a break below the wave 2. So this could be your wave 4, and then you would push up in a wave 5 and a leading diagonal. So that is a possibility for our friend Matic. Absolutely hideous squigglies. Currently, we're in 4 trades right now, which you can have a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis if you sign up to Bitkit or Bybit. Do the majority of my trading on Bitkit. Grab those bonuses. Check out my full-length tutorials. Email me or sign up email. It literally takes 2 minutes, and you can have a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all place Forex signals and analysis as well. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. If you want direct access, you can sign up through the Patreon link. Same price as a McCancer burger with drink and fries. Someone mentioned that in my Discord. Pretty funny. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.